Bitcoin closed its monthly chart below $60,000 after many months. So what does that mean? I will explain everything about this and what can happen in September. And you know September is famous for the worst month of the year for crypto and even the stock market. So I want you guys to pay attention, watch the entire video. Also, watch this video that I posted yesterday. It is about accumulation of altcoins, what my plans are with my members, and go ahead and join if you guys want to know about what coins, micro cap coins we are buying. And also, make sure to subscribe if you are new to this channel. I'm gonna cover USDT dominance. I'm gonna cover BTC in Heikin-Ashi chart. I'm gonna also talk about Bitcoin chart with Fibonacci retracement. Also, I'm gonna talk about macro perspective and what I think is gonna happen in September. So please take a moment and like the video. I am posting these videos for free for you, and I need you to like the video so YouTube algorithm works for this video. And at the end of the video, after you watch the entire video, let me know in the comment section what you think about everything I will cover in this video. So for the first time, you guys see that August closed its monthly chart below $60,000, although every single time we were closing above $60,000, even 60,500-ish, which means even if we go and drag this line all the way to top of this previous all-time high, the bodies of the candle monthly chart, we can see that the continuation of it, every single candle was closing above it. But this red candle, although we have a huge wick or shadow from the bottom, is still closed below this line. And usually you guys know that every time we close a candle below a certain level, below a support line, we can have the next candle go back up and have trouble passing through. So we can still go back up to 61, 62, even $63,000 where this closed green candle was in the monthly chart, and it still go back down. And my plan is, in my previous video, still watch this video. I talked about it for like 26 minutes about altcoins, about where I think Bitcoin is going, plus where the accumulation is going to happen for me. And you guys can see it that Heikin-Ashi is still showing no wick on top. Somebody mentioned that what do I mean by shadow? Shadow is the same as wick. This is what I call shadows. Shadows meaning the not the body, where the price went and it still went back up and closed the candle. So you guys still see that there is no wick on top. That shows that how the selling pressure is happening. Okay, so until I do not see a daily candle green, or at least with a wick, something like this, I would not think that Bitcoin can still go for another higher high. So far, the plan is, in my previous videos, I have mentioned that I am still looking for a 3-wave down. And if I want to show it as ABC, it will be 1, 2, 3, and same 1, 2, and 3. So we need to see if Bitcoin can hold above 0.5 Fibonacci retracement, which you guys see that every time it gets close to it, it gets a bounce up. But still $55,000 is where I think that we're gonna probably close daily candles down here, and we need to see if the accumulation area would be around $55,000, and if it holds, I'm gonna expect at least that we're gonna go for another higher high. But if it does not hold it, I am still expecting $50,000 to be touched one more time, and that will match our monthly chart, because where this green line is the area I am expecting Bitcoin to have daily candle close on top of all of this wick, wick, all of these. And so we can go for another one, hopefully. And by just looking at all these altcoins, and you guys see that how all of these coins are going down with Bitcoin, that was the reason that I was saying that do not worry that you're gonna be late. You're gonna have enough accumulation time. And you guys can see that any coin that you have bought in higher prices, and if I want to actually set it up, and if you want to look at the last 90 days, what the percentage has been for all these coins, you guys can see that they are mostly down. So if you bought 90 days ago, you should be down pretty much at least 15 to 30, 40, 50%. And this is the reason that a lot of people who commented several months ago when I was telling you guys that there is a huge possibility that we do not pass and we go back down to see lower prices was about this. So I am so happy that I have told my members and they already know, and whoever followed it, even my members, I do not force them to do anything. Even the gems that I've been telling them to buy, they do not have to buy. But I am pretty good on finding good coins. I do not guarantee any of them. Still, you guys can see anything you have bought, you should be down. But there is nothing to worry about. Every market has these kind of movements, and the accumulation area would be around this area, and that will be from $47,000 to $50,000, and hopefully we do not close a monthly candle below $50,000. And that will be a great area where we're gonna probably have 1 or 2 months going sideways before going back up. But as long as I have given ifs, because we do not guarantee anything, we do not know exactly, nobody knows where the market is going. So we do not know if Bitcoin is gonna break below and even go for lowers. If we go lower prices, Bitcoin bull market is gonna be over, and we do not want that. There is a huge possibility that we still go for this month, go back up to revisit 62 to 63 or $64,000, and if we do not pass above, there is a huge possibility that we close the monthly candle down around $50,000. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. These are great and important updates for you guys. So even for USDT dominance, I'm gonna change it to Heikin-Ashi because I like how Heikin-Ashi gives me signals on is still how bullish it looks. As long as we are seeing all greens and there's no wick on the bottom of any of these candles, I am still seeing bullishness for USDT dominance, which is opposite of Bitcoin. It works like the XY. But in the weekly, it does not look that bullish. So you need to keep that in mind as well, because I am seeing a rising wedge for USDT dominance. That's why I am expecting to go up to these green candles, even up to here, 60.30% around these areas. And if we see another red candle, weekly candle going down, that's where I'm gonna believe that, or hope at least, that we're gonna keep going down for another bull rally. Okay, so this will be drop, base, drop, and if we do not know how low we go, but if you guys watch my previous videos, I am expecting to go down to revisit this area because we did not quite touch this red line that I had around this area, which was the lowest of our rally, base, rally, opposite of drop, base, drop. So we can go back down to these levels, which will be a lot of percentage, more than 2% we're gonna get for USDT pouring into altcoins and Bitcoin. That's why this area, that this green level that I am showing, is a very important area that we should not break above and close daily candles with green, and that will be a hell for Bitcoin, and we do not really want that. I'm holding my altcoins. I am slowly buying with my members more altcoins, more gems, small amounts of each coins, and we are hoping for the best, because it is very hard that we out of 2.5 million tokens that are out there, and so most of them are not even listed yet, but you guys can see on the top left, you guys can see 2.5 million cryptos has been added to this website, and it's hard to find coins. And if you guys are going for the known ones already, because you do not want to find gems that have not grown yet, have not given their returns yet, it is up to you, but you should not expect 20-30x from any of these top coins. Yes, it is very possible that you get 2, 3, 4x's from these coins, but if you guys are looking for more returns for your investment, you need to go lower with the lower market caps, even lower than this. Even on billions, I'm not interested. But if you want to go for more returns, you can invest less, because they can grow higher, and they're already in a lot of exchanges, and they are having a lot of high volume for trading. The reason I keep repeating this, because people would only invest in $1,000, $2,000. They are only going for these bigger coins, and they're expecting to get 10-20x for their 1,000 investment, which is not gonna happen anytime soon, at least for this cycle. Ethereum, I am not expecting to grow 10x from here. 10x would give it $2.3 trillion just for Ethereum's market cap. And if it is realistic to you, it is up to you. You can go ahead and do that. None of these are financial advice. Do your own research. But it's still, even for Bitcoin, even for Ethereum, even for any of these coins, I am not expecting too much of return, not even more than 5-6x for these coins. But if you have a lot of money, more than $100,000, yes, that will be a great investment if you guys choose any of these great coins up here. I'm not saying which one, you guys need to choose it yourself, but that would give you a great amount for your investment, because $100,000, even if you get 2x for your money, you will double your money, would be $200,000. $100,000 in profit is a lot of money. But I am still telling you that go ahead and watch this video that I posted 21 hours ago, because it is very informative, and that's gonna show you where I am thinking that Bitcoin is gonna start going up. And I also covered cash bond technical analysis. I am also gonna talk about ICP. One of our subscribers asked me my opinion about what I think about ICP. So ICP, you guys can see that it has not even grown that much, but I am seeing a great support for it. You guys see that after its launch around 2,000 something dollars, it has never gone back up to even retouch $23. So because you guys see this green candles in weekly, this area has stopped the price. So you guys can clearly, even by using Heikin-Ashi chart, you can clearly see after having several reds and you're having greens and then reds, this area should stop prices. So even if we break above for ICP, the next level of rejection, I am expecting it to be around this area, would be, if I want to put the price label, around $34. You guys can see it. These are very good trading opportunities for you guys to just sell around here, and by seeing red candles in here, you can sell, get out of it. As I am just repeating again, none of these are financial advice. And you guys see that it has gone on top of these green candles, green Heikin-Ashi candles, and there is a accumulation zone right now. So if we go back up, I am expecting ICP to have a little bit of sideways and then break above if everything looks bullish. So, but if I am believing that ICP is going to go back to its all-time high, I am not, because if we want to look at ICP and what the market cap is right now, if it goes back to even $1,000 or $700, which will be 100x of this price, that would give 100x of this market cap. So if we go for 10x, and if the price goes to $700, this market cap should 10x as well, as long as this circulating supply is staying the same, which I do not believe that, because you guys see these random numbers are going towards this number. So the more it grows, the price keeps declining if we do not add to this market cap. If you remember, I have given you the way of how every single coin gets calculated for their price. Market cap divided by circulating supply, not total, not max. So if you do the math, this divided by this, so the bigger number this is, the price will go down. So we need circulating supply to be the same or slowly going up, but most of it we want market cap to go up after you buy your coins. Okay, so it will give $300 billion if we 100x this market cap. And if it is realistic too that only ICP will take a share of $300 billion for this crypto bull run, go ahead and buy if you think you're gonna get 100x out of this. Is it going to 10x? It is very possible, but we need to know that how the team is doing, how the market is doing. But this chart does not look really good to me with this big of a market cap. So these are great and very important information. Again, I am asking you kindly to please hit the like button and watch this video and subscribe if you haven't already, and go ahead and join my free Telegram group. I am posting my trades and a lot of the updates I am seeing for Bitcoin. When I cannot post any videos right away, when I see a change for market, I will be posting screenshots and explain to you what I believe is going to happen. So go ahead and also join our membership. That will be very good for you to know what coins we are looking at, where the accumulation area is, and you can ask me any questions that you will be my priority to answer. So just a summary for our monthly chart. I am still thinking that because we broke below $60,000 and closed our August month, we can still go back up to revisit $61,000 to $63,000 and still get projected and go back up on top of this green line, and hopefully we're not gonna go any lower. Thank you for watching. Share this video, important video, with your friends. Comment down below what you think. I will see you in the next video. Peace.